Extreme dangerous transport skill operations, oversized truck, biggest heavy equipment machines, number P, ready to experience raw power and unmatched precision. From daring rescues to jaw-dropping heavy haul feeds, this video is a thrill ride, showcasing engineering, marvels, and human skill. Buckle up, it's time to dive into the world of oversized loads and heavy equipment. Transport. Hold on tight, folks. Getting off a ferry on the Alden River is no easy feat. The rudder must be spot on too. Avoid pushing the barge into danger. For the first time, I witnessed something incredible. The Z reverse on the Himalayan train route. This mind-blowing maneuver allows the train to climb steep hills, switch lines, and reverse to gain altitude in Tindara near West Bengal. This rare feat perfectly blends design and nature. The sheer size of that BMS crane is incredible. Moving something that massive is a real engineering challenge. Using a tandem tow system ensures proper load capacity and weight distribution. But steering such a colossal machine in tight spaces, no easy feat. Whoa, never thought I'd see a dump truck tip over like that during testing. That's a wake-up call. It shows why choosing the right trailer, like a trout river, is essential to avoid such risks. These fearless drivers tackle cliffs on one side and roads barely wide enough for the truck on the other. They pull off these insane maneuvers like it's no big deal. Their bravery and skill are mind-blowing. Welcome to the Welland Canal Showdown. The Federal Sacra heads out just as the Alasia makes its way in. This perfectly timed exchange highlights the beauty of teamwork and modern navigation. It's a seamless connection between Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. The South Felix barge unloading utilized advanced equipment, including the new Holland 12D loader, designed for heavy-duty tasks. It ensures stability and precision during operations, reducing risks while maximizing productivity. A true benchmark in modern logistics, witness the 90-ton giant in motion. Steered effortlessly by Spur Transport ranters, from navigating tight turns to ensuring load safety, Spur Transport proves why they're the best in heavy equipment transportation. Goodbye to the mundane. This looks straight out of an action film. Mud flying, trucks roaring, and every inch gained feels like a victory. Massive props to the drivers. This is next-level skill and patience. Have you ever wondered how goods make it across Brazil's vast waterways? With expansive river systems and specialized barges, they ensure cost-effective and sustainable transport of heavy goods. It's fascinating to see. Look at this. The Bias Monaghan 6160 is a titan in constant motion. Its electric heart now drives the massive crawler through the earth at Vine, originally powered by diesel. Its transition to electricity was a game changer, dramatically reducing costs while maintaining the force needed to shift tons of material. The 6160 with its giant crane is a visual marvel, complemented by the Bucyrus 15W for more precise tasks. A ballet of industry in full swing. Never thought electric trucks could make it through something like this, but wow, these trucks are defying expectations. The combination of cutting-edge battery technology and durable motors means they can handle everything the desert throws at them. It's incredible how far we've come with electric vehicles, pushing the limits of what we thought was possible. Meet the Prevost P111, Slovenia Sentinel of the Seas. Built for protection, this patrol boat was made by Prevost to guard the coastal waters. In 2021, its journey took a historic turn as it was transferred from Koperport to the Pivka Military History Museum with a specialized transport vehicle, ensuring its safe voyage. Wow, this Kenworth truck is dominating the road. The way it lifted that front end, unreal. That's some serious power right there. Having seen these machines in action, the Lear LB24 and LB28 are pure power. They're ideal for tasks like installing seawalls and soldier piles, but after years of heavy use, we must ask, are they leaving a harmful legacy on our environment and soil? Transporting oversized trucks, no small feat. Just look at the size of that turbine. The sheer size and weight of each blade require precision engineering and expert handling. Watching the team navigate tight turns and challenging roads shows incredible skill. The mighty Cat 32 ODL is making its grand descent off. The Oshkosh M170 using those heavy-duty M1000 Rams. Can you feel the tension? Incidents like this remind us of how much is at stake in heavy equipment work. Whoa! Front wheels off the ground. That's a clear sign of pushing weight limits hard. Seeing a Scania R480 truck maneuver, a 30-meter trailer up close, is wild. Every move feels like threading a needle with a freight train. Pure skill. The sheer size of this transport is mind-blowing. 6.75 meters wide, almost the length of 3 trucks side by side. The first 90-degree turn alone shows off precision driving that only top professionals could pull off. Massive respect for the team managing every obstacle like clockwork. The Scania 164 GV8480 truck faced significant challenges due to improper low AD distribution while the road conditions were rough. The key issue was placing excessive weight on the trailer axles. A balanced load would have mitigated the struggle and ensured smoother navigation. The Caterpillar D6E, a 13-ton workhorse, isn't an everyday sight on city streets. Transporting it through urban environments presents unique logistical challenges. Its transport requires careful weight distribution and skilled maneuvering to ensure safety and efficiency. Transporting 220 tons of oversized cargo from Kopor to Jesenice is no small feat. Komardu stands out for its precision in handling heavy equipment like transformers and machinery. From obtaining permits to using advanced hydraulic lifts for precise placement, every step is expertly managed. Their open customs-controlled warehouse in Ljubljana is an added advantage. A loaded cast dump truck just sank into the fill, and it's up to the Chetra bulldozer to save the day. Will it pull off this rescue mission? Stay tuned to witness the raw power in action. Man, that water is raging. Watching the excavator push through that flood feels like holding your breath the whole time. One slip, and it's game over. The LG 1750 crane's upper carriage, weighing hundreds of tons, was meticulously transported at HH Idlet. Groman utilized specialized trailers and hydraulic equipment to ensure stability and precision during this intricate operation. What a journey from overcoming impossible odds to redefining logistics. These feats are nothing short of extraordinary. Don't miss out. Like, subscribe, and join us for more awe-inspiring adventures in the world of heavy transport.